Namaste, beautiful yogis. Welcome to Ali Kamenova Yoga. I'm Ali, and today we're doing a quick spinal mobility class, fluidity for the spine class. I haven't exclusively done that as a separate quick class, and I feel called to bring those periodically a little more often, as well as we do them in the classes as well. But this is more in a workout form rather than a yoga form. Fluid dynamic. Extensions, elongations, twist type of dynamic form. Let's begin and let's flow with love, strength, and ease. Starting in about wider than hip width apart position, and we're gonna toes pointing forward, and we're gonna lift the heels and drop them. Just a few of those. You can drop them softly and gently, just exercising the calves here. And at the same time, let's pose the hands to bring mobility into the joints. Wrists and fingers, very important for hand arthritis, wrist arthritis. It's preventative. And now circle the wrists, the hands, reverse, bring in circulation there. All right, now we're gonna drop. I'm in an apartment. So I'm gonna drop on the neighbors. Drop. You can shake the arms as well. So we're discharging electricity, electric charge in the body, in the fascia that collects, where also trauma collects. So when we work to release the body, we begin to heal trauma in it is a direct way, but not to the mind, not as far as the mind perceives it. The mind probably wants resolution, completion, recognition, but the body can discharge it the way a dog does shake off. The body can discharge trauma, and then, despite of our experiences, we feel free. We are free. The mind gets free. All right. Let's do just a few circles with the toes, opposite side. I feel a lot of movement through the arms just from this little warm-up, very needed. All right, now we're gonna go into a squat with onto the tippy toes and drop down, come up and twist. You feel your gait, your feet are strong, your arches are lifted, your toes are spread out, and twist. So it is dynamic, you're feeling your spine, you're elongating and moving chi through the spine. Two more. You can do half squats here too. And the next one is spinal extensions. Lower down, come up, press your elbows back, lift through the heart. Lower down, lower down, lower down. So you're awakening the feet. Every time your heels get down, you feel the heels, you feel the arches. Great, hold it, hold the extension. All right, side to side bends, lower down. We're gonna move through those foundational yoga poses in a dynamic way. Now in Kundalini you do such exercises oftentimes seated, So this is different. One more, and the next one is squat, come up and sweep out. So you're sweeping your arms behind, up, up, behind and out. Reaching over, elongating the spine, the torso. Side to side bends, lower down, reach, lower down, reach, lower down, reach, lower down, reach, lower down. One more. And let's do a static side bend, hips and shoulders on the wall. Reach over with the left arm to your right, elongating, look up. Change. Excellent. Plie. Time for plie. And we are going to pause 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Hold. We're going to reach to the right side, lift the heel on the right side. Lower. Same thing on the same side. Yeah. We're gonna do one side at a time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both heels come up, side to side bends. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Drop it. With the heels down, twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Heels up, and we're gonna sweep side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. All right, twist. Hands over the thighs. Alternating side bends with a heel lift, and change, and change, and change. Elongate, elongate. And now open, hands behind the head. Open, press the elbows back. Great. Come out of the plie. Open. Back in plie. Open. Stepping back into mountain pose. Alignment about hip width. Feet forward. We're going to circle the shoulders. So we're increasing chi through the body without this movement, and without the shaking with it, some discharge of electricity in a short format here. I have the shamanic shaking that was longer, And if the body ever does involuntary shaking, that is its own way of discharging electricity. Circles. Reverse. Pose the hand, squeeze into a fist, release in a very wide. And again, once again, hands are in a fist and you're circling. Reverse. Heel drops. You can continue with the arms too. And we are done for today. I hope you feel rejuvenated and you feel the flow. You feel in the flow and the flow through you. And I'll see you with our next class. Thanks for joining me today. Remember to flow with love, strength, and ease. Namaste.